friends, Ms. Cross here. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I wanted to take a minute to tell you about something really exciting that's happening tonight, Tuesday, October 6th, and this happens every now and then, and I usually am aware of it beforehand so I can tell you. But let me just tell you some background. In a few weeks, we're going to start learning about outer space in science. And we're going to start with the Earth and Moon, and then we're going to go through stars and planets, and it's one of my most favorite things I've ever taught. In all my years of teaching, I am slightly obsessed with it. Just ask Miss McGrath or any of our students from last year. But it's just really exciting and amazing to think about all of these things in outer space. And one thing that I learned a lot about this summer when some astronauts from America actually went up was the International Space Station. And this is like a space lab that is in orbit all the time. And right now, I believe there are 2 astronauts, 1 American and 1 Russian, and it is orbiting the Earth all the time. And every now and then, you can actually see it. And I did this for the first time this summer, and I've done it several times since then, and I think it is absolutely amazing. And tonight happens to be a perfect night for a sighting. Now, I haven't checked the weather, but I don't think it's going to be rainy or cloudy. But I want to tell you how you can see the space station fly over your home tonight. It is super easy, okay? So the things that are important are the time it appears, the time it disappears, the direction it comes into view from, and the direction it leaves view in, and the degree of height in the sky. And all of these things tonight are really, really perfect. Let me pull it up really quick just to be sure I tell you the right thing. So it's going to be visible for 3.5, about 4 minutes. And when you look in the sky, it will look like a very bright star moving steadily. So it actually moves like this. You'll see it like a moving star go very steadily through the night sky. So it is going to appear tonight at 8:36 to 8:37, and it will be visible until about 8:40, so 3 to 4 minutes, okay? So this is how you see it. It is going to enter the sky in the northwest, and the way I do it is I take my compass on my phone outside before time for it to happen, and I figure out, okay, so that's the northwest. It's going to enter view at that side, and it's going to go over our heads, and it's going to leave our view to the east-southeast. So your parents should have a compass on their phone. Pull that up so you know which direction it's coming and which direction it's leaving. Now, the other important thing is how high in the sky it is going to be. So tonight it is going to be about 80 degrees, and we haven't talked about degrees yet, but if you look straight out and picture the horizon, which is where the land meets the sky, that is 0 degrees, okay? And then if you look straight up into the sky, straight above your head, is 90 degrees. So tonight the space station is going to fly over at about 80 degrees. So it's going to be almost directly above your head, okay? So this is what you do if you want to see it. If it's okay with your parents, go outside at about 8:30, figure out where all the directions are, and at about 8:36 or 8:37, you should see it enter the sky from the northwest and go overhead and leave at east-southeast. It'll be visible for about 4 minutes. And Miss McGrath and I have both seen this several times over the summer. It's really cool to think about the fact that there are 2 human beings out of the whole population of the Earth that are in space right now. And if you don't see it at first, this is my advice, because a couple of times we thought it was coming in from one place and then we saw it in a different place. Since it's going to be so almost directly overhead, if you don't see it at first, I would just look straight up and kind of look a little to each side, and probably right at about 8:38, 8:39, you should see it go straight over. Okay? So I hope you guys get a chance to see it. If you don't see it tonight, don't worry. It'll come back and I will help you try again to see it. Anyway, I hope you love science. This is so exciting. I hope you see the space station. We can't wait to hear you tell us about it tomorrow. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.